Okay, so after some stress when the shuttle bus didn't appear, we finally got to the hotel, and this is our room, and it's quite cute. So we walk in and there's a drying rack with little birds and a genkan where you can put down your shoes. The outer layer of the toilet, I still haven't figured out where's the lights, but we will get there. Aha, lights, yes. So simple basic toilet with a bathtub, toilet slippers, toilet divided, okay, slippers. These are more, oh my goodness, more slippers, but yeah, you can't see because it's too dark. And there's an ice bucket here. So the air purifier, which you still cannot see, that's the ice bucket. Then the air purifier, which they say to spray as we wish. Then the fridge, which is empty. And then what is this drawer? Oh, cannot open. Okay. Then we have the slippers, and then we walk into this room, which is quite dark. There's a torchlight here. The controls are here for something. More chairs and cushions, tatami, and the futon inside, and you can technically close that door as well. And then here's the yukata and jackets they provided. And then we have my mom and another door which separates the sleeping area from the sitting area, which is a lot brighter. So we have a basic low wooden table with some welcome snacks, the tea set, and chairs. And out the window you see greenery, a bit of the mountains in the distance, but it's actually greenery and access road. And then we have the decorative nook where we are putting our luggage now because it's a lovely space. The safe, which I didn't understand what the guy was saying, and then we were like, what is that? And then he was like, oh, the safety box. Ah, safe. Okay, safe, got it. And an iPad with all the hotel stuff, tissue, and TV, kettle, remote, paper, TV, more switches. And yeah, so let's look at the welcome snacks. Oof. Oh yeah, everything is non-smoking, which is like great. So there's this interesting thing, black pepper tea. And then preserved plum as usual, and they have this sakura ebi senbei, which is a small salted shrimp with in a rice cracker. So the color is very beautiful. And yeah, so that's about it. Our room for the next 4 nights. So see y'all in the next video. Okay, so we're doing this video because just now something happened. The front lobby, so chandeliers, seating area, piano with no pianist because it's an automatic one, restaurant for breakfast and dinner, the gift shop, front desk, stairs. Chapel and a cute bus with chapel. Very small, but very nice. So apparently there are wild boars here. Yeah, we walked over from the hotel, 100 plus meters, but it's through that tiny path. You can see the roof like there. And yeah, now we're off to go play. Bye! To Tokyo. And staying in Kichijoji Tokyu REI Hotel. So our room, yeah. Walk in and there's a mirror. On the right is the cupboard. extra blanket, hangers, shoe brush, shoe horn, extra baggies. The safe is actually pretty cute. It's like this sort of top closing safe, and disposable slippers, non-disposable slippers, luggage rack, and mommy's opening the toilet, and yeah, there we go. We'll go to the toilet later. It's on the left. So we have a lamp, makeup mirror, a bag of something. Oh, hair dryer. Okay. Phone, memo pad, plugs, mineral water, our housekeeping in charge name, the desk, which is quite big, and like they put stuff inside with baggies and all that. And then you have a TV, which you can buy special TV on, room spray, tissue, more stuff, hotel info in other words. What's this? More information. And the fridge is here, Toshiba. Ta-da! There's lights. Oh my god, lights are like booms. And there's air purifier, Econavi. And then you have the bed, which is huge. By the way, this was the only room available, and it's on the 9th floor, so it's part of the newly renovated series. It's pretty pretty. And the amenities, I had to count out a pile at the front desk, and that was awkward, but okay. And our view is super nostalgic. Oh my god. So I came for an exchange in Tokyo 3 years ago, and my university was actually super near Kichijoji. So being here and looking at the station and this neighborhood is super nostalgic. It's like, oh my god, throwback 2015. But yeah, anyways, so let's go see the toilet. Oh, there's an alarm clock there as well, and hot lights by the bedside, chair, night table. Well, only for one side, which I have colonized, and towels, small, big, all embossed, and a beautiful toilet. This is the main reason why I asked for a renovated room. Okay, so we have toiletries counter, the normal toiletries. The expensive stuff is already given to us. Cups, face and hand foam, the normal Shiseido, this is Shiseido's bath series, and then you have stainless steel and white floor mat, white shower curtains, which are very new, and yeah, it's just a very clean, very white toilet. I like white. White is good. Okay, so yeah, that's about it.